learned this business. I learned it from a school and also from an old-time saddle maker at the same time. So I learned a couple different versions. And I learned how to make boots and repair boots, make saddles, repair saddles. I've been doing this now for almost 20 years.
And this is the machine that will sew the sole on. There'll be a line of stitching all around the bottom of the sole. And you'll sew it back about to here, and then the back end will be nailed. This will all be sanded smooth, and then you will find the appropriate heel to put on the boot so that it sits right.
I'm just going to concentrate on doing quality work, you know, and I think word of mouth, and once people realize I'm here, I'll stay pretty busy.